6'10 ba? Apat na bola.
Yes, mukhang excited at ready na tayo. Kaya naman mag-shake hands na muna tayo for RDR and Hammerman. Let's show good sportsmanship.
Bola ang pagkain guys sa akin. Sa akin kay Haring Bangis.
Let's give the game a competitive level of respect po sa isa't isa. I'm so excited for this game. Sana kayo rin po. Best of luck to both of you. Let's get the game started. And back to you, Mr. Carlin, Mr. Ashley.
Maraming salamat for the introduction sa tinulong po ang ating muling laban, Hammerman kontra RDR, our rematch of pairing na nakita na natin ng Motivated Billiard League Season 1. Naglaban itong dalawa, pinanalo si RDR. Even up the series between these two. This is our final match. Since it's our last game already, it will be race to 7 between Hammerman and RDR. Before we start with one, thanking you for joining us. Our Motivated Billiard League Season 3. We thank our venue partner, the Mokyuha Billiard Sports Bar and we thank our sponsors, Mega HDR, on Bodega Sale, AK Moto Club, XDR, Realty Incorporated, MD Shoes and Apparel, JT's Filipino Cuisine, Emerzone Sports Lounge, CCE, Bulacan Saimada, Kenta Kogaku Food Truck, Best Cost Digital Marketing, Eastprint Clothing, Red Rock Collectibles, and JP Sports TV. No, Hammerman, RDR, skilled individuals. Alam natin magiging malakas yung mga kalidad nitong mga kapatan.
That's right. I think I've seen them play before. Skilled players.
Naglaban na sila Season 1. A couple more practice books before we start with this matchup. And now we're ready for this race to 7.
Diba, ito pinabalot ng tao. Lagyan mo ng tayo ulit. Yung tao na yun. Para makita. Kasi wala na tayo sticker dito.
Wala na. Kagaya ng gano'n. Kagaya mo ng gano'n.
Dapat lahat nilagyan. Kasi kanina daw, nagpapaskwell lang tayo. Kanina yung break. The RDR winning the ladder. Siya ang unang sasarag dito sa ating laban.
Ito araw kayo. 1-0. Nakauna yung Awit Gamer.
Nakauna agad si Awit guys. 1-0. 1-0 tayo guys ha. Nakauna ng Awit Gamer.
Power ball.
Para kay Hammerman. Buti na lang may 4 doon. Nakaharap mo din. Malapit na masyado yung elevated sa corner pocket.
5, 6, 18 number dito. Motivated po yung nagpapator kami. Billiard League.
MBL. Ay, shoutout kay Boss Rendon Labador. Idol natin yan.
Race 11 lang.
That depends on where he puts the ball.
Oh, stop right there. Salamat din pag-moderator. Ano, race 11 na po.
Extension.
11.
Stretch for this one. Which will make you a little awkward. Shouldn't be too much of a problem.
No! 2-0.
Lampang ng dalawa. Jigs na Awit Gamer.
Good opportunity.
Bitaw na gano'n.
Bigyan na ang Awit Gamer.
Going back Cuba.
Sakit sa ulo ng partida. Ibang bola. Ang tibay mo Awit Gamer.
Corner pocket. Nakaharap you don't want to touch those. Medyo okay kasi. Very clean shot now. Unfortunately,
Ayun, shoot.
pwede pa rin.
Shoot ang pato.
To be careful in the mafia.
Panchawan. Panchawan, no?
At pinerso ko talaga yung mga tendency na
Mas money guy, no siya.
Take the people out of the equation that
Dapat walang laki. Hindi, ano din siya, hindi wala laki. Ayaw din pumayag siya, siyempre. Ay, ito na alam siya mga pwede manalo. 2-0 po score.
great shot.
of class mula kay RDR.
Nasa harap pa yung score. Nag-video, walo, nag-video.
Ito wala.
Yan. Walang.
Ah, pero naka-live. Okay. Dami na.
Uy, patay ka.
Wala na namin. Taas. Taas pa yun. Dito dito.
Sumayad dyan naman. Talaga ito mga business. Pag sumayad, pag sumayad, hindi papasok.
Oo. Nakawit na nun. Mabigat din ba yung
Easy win here for rack number 1.
Last ball 4.
3-7 lang tayo dito.
First rack scored. May hammer back on kay RDR. Part of the game is knowing the table. Nakikita mo yung mga mitis, kung ano yung posible, ano yung mahirap. You get to adjust your gameplay all the way. Sakto mula sa gitna yun, si Hammerman.
Walang nahulog.
tulad na lang. Kita yan.
Guys, 3-0 guys.
3-0 po.
Basic lang ni Awit. 3-0 tayo guys, 3-0. Grabe yung partida, parang lumpo.
Grabe partida mo, boss. Awit game.
Parang si Gunting lang. Parang pilay.
Parang good din.
Lamang si Awit guys, 3-0 ang score. Race 11 lang yan.
Boss Alvin maganda.
So there's a great chance of the Karoon 19th corner. One first for 19th corner. So this is an
4-5.
for
6-18. 4-5-6. 5 bola.
but if you get too high,
Leave the one open now for RDR.
Bumaba na yung viewers natin na 3-0. Ayaw naman. Ba't na tinapan? Tinatawag po gano'n. Shit. Di pa naging ako ulit. Pahingan. Naging ako sa pagmula pag. Right. Sa bulso. Bulso. Pamalag-lag-lag yun. Grabe partida. 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. 5 bola ko.
Corner pocket. Same for the 3 now. Trying to get the handle to kasha pa siya sa side.
yeah, it's off the range.
Hindi naman gusto outsider, hindi naman pinapasan. Diyan na naman. Pag JB dito.
Nakakuha mo rin.
Send the 3.
4, 5, 6, 8, 10. Mabigat na partida yung totoo.
Knowledge.
Sobrang bigat. Marunong di siya.
Well, RDR.
Pasikat ang isang J Visual.
Push na. Laban po. Zero.
It was wide open, but at least there's still.
Ayun na, 4-0 tayo guys.
4-0 tayo, guys.
4-0. Pakabalitan ni Awit kanina, siya yung 4-0 ngayon. Si JB naman.
Enough angle para ipunta from the 7 is an 8. Up table enough to set it up.
4-0 race 11. Ano pero bigyan ng mga
Shoot. Pumasok ang pato.
Mga preparasyon kahit sa punta ko siya tumikip sa
Saka yung iba talaga, they're more comfortable pag yung plaketa nila nasa table talaga eh. On the edges.
kung ways it you can back the shot to the opposite corner, pwede mong pinahakin.
Walang per game idol, wala.
Mas komportable. Kaya titira.
Lugi sa partida. Kaya wala per game.
Get. Not for the shot.
Racing,
Ilalayo niya na lang muna.
but not good enough.
Pag ganyan Doc, you want it as straight as possible. Diba? Halos magkatapat. This is a tough long shot, but makeable definitely for RDR scan.
Placing talaga. Hindi siya marunong.
Surprising miss. Now, these are the kind of shots that are like, persadong pinapasok siya. He likes the fastballs coming in.
Sure stroke.
Parang kilala ko na siya.
Good shot.
Okay, for the 9. And that's in.
Oh, stretch.
Nakisama yung cue ball kay Hammerman. Muntik na pero hindi nahulog. So it's 2-0 for him to start this match.
Deserving naman siya. Pinaghirapan niya yun. Pinaghirapan niya yung tira sa 8.
Pero nagpaka ba ng konti yung cue? Gunning for a 3-0 advantage dito sa ating race to 7.
Medyo mahaba pa yun.
Our final match of our Motivated Billiard League Season 3.
Scratch.
Lost the cue ball.
At meron rin pumasok sa
Napaka-smooth.
counted na yun.
RDR. Pinabasa ng path. How to run this table
Oh,
out.
sumobla sa maybe.
Everything is spread out. Challenge
Like
for
some
the
way,
baby from the
James.
and this looks doable.
Medyo.
Ito yung preparasyon ng stress.
Correct.
Good stuff.
dumiretso.
Okay.
It became difficult.
Kasi kailangan
And
niya
actually, for
Yeah.
me, he already hit a very good two shot. The first shot in Taylor niya, but it's still working.
Makaka-score ng James Wan.
Just a bit lucky there.
4-1 tayo guys, 4-1. 4-1 tayo guys, nakiscore ng isang James Oksok. Ang partida, 4-6-8-10. Alam mga awit gamer guys ha, 4-1.
Pocket.
So, kailangan umiwas sa 8 at saka sa 9 itong bola yung
Space.
Parang 7.
Up table 48. This is good billiards. Dr. J from Hammerman right now.
Yeah. Ganyan naman ang billiards. When you're given the opportunity, you really have to take advantage of the moment. Kita naman na wala. Swerte pa. Yes, the only advantage in this game.
4 tayo guys ha, 4-2. Hindi na tinira ni James
Isa lang ang
ano,
bola doon pa ng goal.
first game agad. 4-2 tayo guys, 4-2. Kumahaba ng James Wan guys ha.
Nice pocket ng Ponteria.
Good.
Yeah, absolutely.
Enough of distance to make it a difficult shot. Pero makeable lang.
So, the weird thing is this is a tougher shot than the one that Hammerman
Jeez.
actually missed. Pero
4-3 tayo guys, 4-3. 4-3 tayo guys, 4-3. Pumasok ang Gis. 4-3 guys ha, 4-3. Isa na lang agad naman ng awit game. Hindi pa paag ang isang James Oksok.
hinayang si Hammerman because he had that rack under complete control. Ngayon, may isahan siya, mapupuntusan ni RDR. 2-1.
Yan ang score natin guys at ang race ha.
RDR getting loose, getting more confident after every stroke. This could actually go down to the wire, Dr. J. And with the caliber of these two, kahit na magtapatan.
Walang pumasok.
With simple break pero dry break ang nangyari. So pagkakataon ni Hammer to medyo kumuha ng konting duelo rito. Full ang problema at the moment. She can make the one on the side.
That will launch up table ng cue ball.
Ay, nasumaplay sa doon si Awin.
Talagang hinahabol niya rin yung double intention.
It's a piece of the two, but is it pocketable?
No, not straight to the corner. Ako, danger because papuntan kayo yan.
That is hard enough to not worry about.
Pumasok ang Gis. Grabe naman. Pasikat yun. James Wan. All 4 tayo guys. All 4. Grabe pasikat ni James Wan na yun. No? Sinaglit lang ang ano straight 4.
Nine ang hinahabol.
4 na sunod by James Wan. Ano?
Lalayo niya naman yung dos. Nakatakam kasi daw eh. Nakakita mo yung may binasa na lang. Leads you into wanting to get it with the net.
Pumasok ang 2. Ayan guys, nasa score, kitang-kita. All 4, race 11.
With this football right now.
Tinutok na.
Shot para kay Hammerman. Basta yung isa.
Hindi na basta-basta sa JB Soal, may extension na.
Warner.
All 4. Uy, sumablay. Patay ka.
The fourth challenge.
Pupush siya ng white. Buti yung mga kakailan.
Pwede ng 3 na.
Ito rin, white din.
Ayan ah. 5-4 guys. 5-4. 5 tayo guys. Lamang si Awi.
Two-way shot na to. Ayun! Sakto!
Hindi the right thing. Hindi niya pinerso. Slowly na pinapunta rin.
Good speed.
He read that combination very well. We say that in
Guys,
English, but all places.
5-4 lamang isang PWD. Lamang lang isa siya na ha. Awit Gamer.
One ang ating talaan. Mas nauna lang maging komportable sa main side si Hammerman. Still breaking from the middle. He has a look at the one.
Ikaw nga, Tobo.
Walang butas. Still table though.
Happy lang tayo. Kayo magbabase kung saan JB.
Time to back.
Happy lang daw. Sabi ni Bulok Bata o Pintira sa Sindo. Totoo.
Hindi po, may kutos eh. Sinontre. Malakas na ko.
Pag-ihiwalay niya. Many blockers out there.
Correct. Using the 40.
Should be a simple one rail kick for RDR. Loop him into the bottom rail. Exactly what happened.
Some page lives
Sa YouTube yan.
Pero may pasok sa corner.
Alvin Cagas Vlog.
Bottom corner.
He's angling for it.
Safety ulit. Pero mali.
Perfect. Bilis niya rin na-recover yung on
See
score.
Hammerman with much. Jump cues out. But this is challenging. You want to jump cue.
Lalo na kung malapit sa rin. Check na ito.
Shot.
Foul.
All 5 tayo guys. All 5. Next game. All 5 tayo guys ha. All 5. Magol ka. Sa'yo shoot si JB.
First time I saw
Makagago guys.
very finesse type of player. Pero dito hindi naman nakukuha ng perfect time. We have too much, pero still very good pocket on the two.
Malakas. Kay Hammerman. Makikita pa naman sa braso ng dress.
Sometimes you see him. So you see the back.
Hindi niya naman iniwan. Madali yung tira. Kay RDR. Oh, time.
Oh, nice.
For that earlier. Kaso, hindi pa binigay sa kanya. Does he see enough of it though?
But not enough to put it in. There's no hold on the side.
So, short trail. Down table.
Maingat ka.
Dalawang banda. Makasakali.
Maingat yung bata ka.
Direct hit.
Leave the 4 on.
This should be open tape if you're careful.
Foul one.
Here. Balik sa table.
6-5 guys, 6-5. Foul 1 JB. 6-5 tayo guys sa 6-5. Na foul sa 4 si JB. Auto Leads. Ay na shoutout nga pala sa sobrang supporting natin tropa dyan na si Kian Tech. Kian Tech from Saudi Arabia. Grabe. Solid yan. Solid subscribers yan. Shoutout sa mga guys. Pa-share pa ng live natin guys.
And it's good for RDR. Short stroke on that 9 ball. There's one rack back here. So it's 3-2 in favor of Hammerman. Ito po sa ating race to 7.
Long match ito. Tingnan. Kasama. Safety idea, but too strong. Well, the problem there is still a 3D. Even if you make the 1
Ayun, ano na daw, pagkabigin kayo
3 and 4. Medyo madilim na yung 4 dito.
RDR has to stretch for this one, not a problem. Tough roll for RDR. Have to play defense here.
Sumablay.
They're making
would have preferred that it stayed behind the 6.
of course.
Oh, this is definitely makeable now for RDR.
Blessing niya. Paintaw. Tinutok na. Ayan, 7-5 guys lamang si Awit ng dalawa. 7-5 guys lamang si Awit ng dalawa.
Good break here for Hammer.
Matibay sa Awit. 4-6-18 partida. Parang hindi magiging matibay.
First mistake, tapos nun, pwede magtuloy-tuloy.
Good enough. Very good job here on the part of RDR. MQ.
Yung jump talaga to. It's so much fit. It's dependent on the role yung mesa. Because you will lose control of something, diba? Because of how challenging.
Yes, you're a real top professional control. But even if you remember in the old days, that's not allowed. You're not allowed to jump over to make a good shot. But because of the 9-ball boom, eventually nangyari niya na pinayari.
Players really can find an opening for this 3-ball.
Akala mo magaling tira yan. I was trying to be able to put a lot of speed to be able to hit that.
Uy!
Half
Sumablay sa 8. Yeah. 8-5 guys, 8-5. Isang tira lang tapos agad ang sumablay pa sa 8 sa'yo. 8-5 guys. 8-5 lamang si Awit.
Nobody is good.
Simpleng tira.
We have covered half the games.
Sumablay.
Perfect.
Mintis talaga.
8-5 score. 5-8-5.
Really strong, but you can get it.
Lamang si Awit. 8-5.
Hindi na kailangan masyadong pagkalawin mo kung ano. That's why it's called the hammer. Ganun ang pass.
Pakasimpleng 8.
Finish naman ngayon. Para dyan lang yung cue ball. Tapos na 7. Ito daw kailangan mag-withdraw.
Yeah. Kasi kailangan patrasin. Patama sa banda. Good calculation. It's perfect. But it is imperfect. Still a problem with the 9 preparation. Good. once again in the same pocket. Just right.
Couple of inches short of it would have been a problem though. Pero ngayon,
Or a little more.
kasi masyado magiging tuwid. So rack 6. Rack 6 for Hammerman. Pagpapatuloy na ating kuligawan. Anyway, this is our final episode of your Motivated Billiard League Season 3. Our founder, Rendon Gamador, thanking our sponsors for our third season at Q-Hub Billiard Sports Bar and Lounge, Negra HDR, now Bodega Sale, PBA Motors, your Homes Incorporated, MB Shoes and Apparel, JT's Filipino Cuisine, Emerzone Sports Lounge, CCE, Mulak and Saibada, Kentakugaku Food Truck, Best Cost Digital Marketing, Eastprint Clothing, Red Rock Collectibles, and JP Sports TV.
8-5 score, 8-5 hindi 7-6. 8-5 na, 8-5. Sana pa yung score. 8-5 na mga idol. 7-6 na sa akin.
Real first kick. Bounce of English, wala may Hammerman. Hindi ko ano yung mga didiskarte dito.
Yeah, pinasing. 4, 5, 6, 8, 10.
Accidentally pa ko na pasok siya. So ball in hand. Will Hammerman be looking at that 3-9? Or also reading, TV reading. Play it straight up.
Marunong sa bando eh. Hindi marunong sa bando.
Little too strong on the 5.
Ayaw mag-isip na matino.
Yung kanyang nalandingan in preparation for that orange.
Marunong ko sa bando yan eh. Marunong. All 3.
What he could do there, just distance. Wala yung clip-on. Kanyang preparasyon, 3-5. Oh, what a pocket. Medyo shock mula dito kay RDR. But he has an equally tough 7 ball to work with here.
Counter pa yun. Counter po.
This one rattles out.
Todas. Scratch. Foul 1.
Good shot for Hammerman. Balik sa kanya. Right here with another long shot. He has shown his mastery of these types of pops.
Swablay sa dos.
Beat. Nagpapakawad. Pockets natin.
JB naman ito na trash talk. 9-5 guys.
9-5, warning na.
Warning na ang Awit Gamer. 9-5 guys. Lamang ng apat si Awit. Race 11 lang yan guys. Race 11.
JB Sukal, laglag ang laban. Ulog pa sa practice.
Available now for RDR.
Perfect. Pumasok ang pato.
Might be his best opportunity to finally pocket the 7. Hindi patatagong 7 ay mahulog pa.
Panglumpo dan.
Where is this cue ball going? RDR not inside the pocket. 2 balls remaining in this rack.
Ay, ito, wabul ko ako.
Corner of that pocket.
Okay,
Can he clean up? Get down.
Hindi niya nakita.
There.
Hindi niya nakita siguro na wabul. Hindi gigil yun.
Lakbay, lakas yung ginagawa niya, bay eh. Ay, dito dapat medyo may.
7.
Ang boy yung
Ang kanyang kalamangan. 5 racks to go against RDR.
masakit doon, naiiwanan pa sa bukas.
Ha?
Naiiwanan pa sa bukas. Sabi ng mga ang dali-dali na play.
Puro pa kasi. Ayaw mag-practice sa maayos. Ang mga laban.
Si Hammerman, pero si RDR, ay parang makakabol sa yung mananalo sa kanilang
Ito yung laki
pagpapagbo.
niya. Kapag pa ng malakas. Dapat yung laki na
Motivated, Mr. Lee, Season 1. Itong seryoso na daw.
Hindi na pwede labanan ng pangit. Kasi kung tumalong ka din. Dalawang beses nga siya, 5 tsaka 8. 5-8, tutok ka na dyan. Ano ba nangyari sa'yo?
6 down.
Wala.
That's the whole of it. Nice one.
Ako local naman yun.
By Hammerman.
Huling.
Siko lang siguro kung saan bakit.
Well, you have to go down to the 4 first. Gusto niya eh. Pero kaso hindi tumakbo.
Dahil,
Uy, gagi, natawag.
lalo man po.
Looking for the side pocket.
No, 4 is
Yeah, the side
Medyo
pocket.
ko na kayo. Hindi na ba siya? Puro na guys, puro na. Puro na. Sagot.
RDR.
to get back.
Puro na guys.
Ano naman
Puro na.
pwede
Puro na ang Awit Gamer.
the type of player who can get out?
10-5. Oh, that's guys.
Or counter for that matter. Mas madali yung
Ari na sobrang nagbigay pa ng partida. Tamas ko.
Ayot din.
Good control for RDR. It is right there, but you want some angle.
That's right.
Force that one up. Snap. He might have to go side pocket. And over there.
Kung sino ni-out yan. Break yan,
Thinks
tingnan
it
mo.
just south and it would have been perfect.
Break yan. Sikat ang isang JB Sol.
Decisions. RDR.
Ito, wala akong ganito. Jeb! Ang beto din. Alim mo. May ano tawag na ano?
6-0 run. Hardware.
Hindi mo tapos ang kumain daw.
You leave it right there. Kasi tayo ko yung mga if you were ahead,
Hindi naman DDB.
Shoot ang pato. Puro scratch yun. Galong beses.
just enough na lang i-hammer back. As he now gets another beating 6 racks to 2.
At saka breaking game. But like you said, kaya nga nakaka-string up victories dito. Kasi this is naalala niya eh. Naalala niya.
Tagal niya pinaghandaan yung ganti eh, no? Lumabas yung isang season na di siya
Placing lang pumasok.
Sakto naman ah.
Ay, place na rin naman yun.
I had a nice shot with hammer earlier.
Okay na talaga. Kala ko didiretso yung 9.
Si Ricardo dito siya lang. Pagkakataon dito siya. You know, sabi mo kanina, you can swing up waves. Kasi this is a wave break. Kung alternate yan, mahirap ka.
That's correct. Wala lang sa Seiko, pwede na sana yung kombinasyon dos 9. Have to play the long game here for RDR.
May hardware na tinatawag.
He has the disposition to play that kind of a game.
Kalma lang. Take it shot by shot. I think that you scored. Not important because of this. Once again, one back. Balik lang yung stroke. Piazza. Now we touch on the two.
Patay ka.
Bayad. Ay tayo guys.
Ayun guys, tapos ang laban.
Ano ko nagbabayad?
11-5.
Gapan pati.
Tapos ang laban.
Gapan pati.
Tapos ang JB Sokso. Out gamer win. Congrats sa awit. Congrats sa JB.
Guys, sa kanya dito guys. Gapan pati. Si Guzman yan.
Dito po si Alvin.
Sabit.
Yan.
Ito, sabit.
Pogi mo. Uy, sabit.
Ayan, sabit. 150 guys. Gapan. Uy, siya. Okay.
Wala na, tapos na lang yan. Ang takot ka, alam mo lang, papatayin ka, basa pa rin natin.
Tayo na si Boy Sabit. Kaya rin namin yun.
Maliit lang yung sinasabi mo. Salamat guys, maraming salamat.
Maliit lang sila sumabit.
James, welcome James. Welcome na kayo, James.